Hello students! In order to keep your Chromebooks in tip-top running order, it's a good idea to check for Chrome updates. Once signed in, click in the lower right corner to expand the status area. Next, click on the gear to open up your Chromebook settings.
If you happen to see this notification, go ahead and click OK. Gopher Buddy will take you to the Chrome update page.
This is your Chrome settings page. Click in the lower left where it says About Chrome OS. If you see a button that says Check for Updates, click it to prepare your computer to update the Chrome browser. When it finishes the process, click Restart. And finally, it is best practice to go down to the shelf and Alt-click on the Google Chrome icon to close Google Chrome. When you reopen, you are good to go. Good luck.